ahead and talk to him there. You don't need to dig in there just yet.
Hey, just 1 second, man. 9WC2 Central Shop, stop. Flagler and North Atlantic, Ford Attack, Romeo, India, Sierra 18, Young Silver Toyota.
He'll let you know.
Hey, I'm Lieutenant McDowell with the New Smyrna Beach Police Department, okay? One, the reason I'm stopping you is because your windshield's tinted, okay? Two, when you pass by me, the odor of marijuana just hit me in the face, okay? Is there any weed or anything like that in the car?
I got my cousins in here. I got my little cousins in here, so there's really nothing in the car, but my car smells like that, yeah.
Yeah, it smells like weed, man. Yeah. So, okay. Do you have a license, registration, insurance for you? Does anybody else in here have IDs on them?
Oh, that's kids.
How old are you? Do you have an ID, though?
License?
Yeah, can I get it?
I think everything is right. I'll start with my ID.
You have ID?
Do you have a medical marijuana card?
No.
Is there any marijuana, hemp, low concentration THC, anything that would cause the odor to be emitting from your vehicle?
No.
Like you said it normally smells like that? Is that what you're saying?
It's just a car, yeah. It's really not.
Okay. Do you just smoke a lot, or do you have commonly have weed?
I don't smoke a lot, but when I smoke, I try to do it in my car. So
Okay.
that's why.
Okay.
I'm not here. This is the registration. I have the insurance on paper, but if we renew by himself Geico, so I'm gonna go look it up in there.
You're gonna what? You gotta look on your phone?
Yeah.
Alright, so you can put that stuff away for me. And then they can get out.
Alright, I'll have both of you guys, everybody get out and just get in the front of the car.
You can get out of the car. How old are you?
I'm 19.
You're 19.
My twin sister 19 too.
Okay.
And then my cousin.
How old are you?
14.
Okay. Will you run them for me? I'm gonna go ahead and search the car really quick. It smells like weed, so. Hey man, will you just keep an eye on this so you search this real quick? Thank you.
Alrighty, who was up front? Who was in the passenger seat? Were you? Can you stand up for me? Do you have any more on you? Anything else?
I got some stuff right, I think on my pocket.
In your pocket?
I put them in my pocket, so it should be on my hand. Well, I don't know. Maybe from circle. Oh, right here.
Where at? I was like, I feel it.
It's down here, right here.
Oh, okay.
I got a hole in the pocket.
Turn on for me. I'll let you fix it here in a second. You know, you just have baby sheets on.
Yeah, you can take two. I'm all
I don't want to pinch you.
You're good, you're good. Just careful, good.
Yep, sorry, I got hurt. Alright, you can sit back down. You want all of them or just her?
One because the 14 on the back has jointers on it. I don't know that it's hers, right?
Okay.
I'm not looking to try and...
Yeah. Okay. You got baby tooth on? You want to lift it up for me?
Watch out.
One second, I'm gonna take him really quick.
The only thing I shouldn't have is in my pocket, which is a pen. So you can take that one. Oh, I'm sorry.
Man, I stop you and then you tell me there's nothing in the car because you got your cousins in it and stuff like that. That's not the case, man. Like, alright, turn around. Press up back up at the front of the car. Who had the switchers?
It was in her pants.
Oh, hers? Okay. Yeah. Shoes. She had a bunch of pre-rolled ones, so.
Well, mine. They were mine.
And then so hey, there's a joint in that back door, okay, where your 14-year-old cousin was, okay?
I didn't know that, honestly.
Like that.
I understand.
That's the kind of business this problem, man.
No, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not taking risk, but I didn't.
Okay.
Okay, you know she was not smoking, drug test or anything.
That's a 14-year-old girl, and she's in the army. They're good, trust me.
She's 14. Who's in the army?
She's in the 14, and she's going to be in the army. She's in like her 4th year in high school.
That you guys can go ahead. That's a little cousin. No, if you fight for anything, because that's.
Yeah. I'm not looking to jam your. I'm not looking to jam your cousin up. Okay. Yeah. You and I, we're gonna talk to you guys, not them, right now.
Perfect. Okay, good.
So, I just gotta make a quick phone call. So we just hang out with that for a second? Yeah. Squire, hang out. I'm gonna ask Destiny something. Squire, come here. I just gotta ask, so I'll be doing the 10-15s for possession under 20? Yeah, we are? Okay. I wasn't sure if we did 10-15s.
I'll do it. I don't care. Or you can. It doesn't matter. I can type it out.
Give me a set of cuffs. Thank you. Turn on pajama, by the way.
Are we both can keep going?
What?
Take my cousin.
Turn on pajama, by the way.
She too?
Yep. We have a zero tolerance policy.
So what happened with the minor?
We're gonna make a phone call. So the 16-year-old has a license. Okay.
Okay, she take my car.
I'm gonna ask you. Do you want me to allow her to take your car?
For sure.
Okay. Do you want her to take your jewelry?
Oh yeah, he talked to you.
You want her to take your jewelry?
My jewelry like this?
Like your bracelets and stuff.
Yeah, take all that stuff. Yeah, I really go like that.
I'm gonna take my car.
You said you want it all off?
Yeah.
For this? Yeah, give me a second.
Here, I'll take it off.
We have a zero tolerance.
Step back a little bit. Slide right there, man.
It's okay.
Do you want your hair up?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll put it on my wrist until we get your bracelets and stuff up, okay? You want your phone to go with you?
I think what's your phone?
It's on the floor, right behind you.
Can we leave my phone in the car too?
Yep, that's fine.
You want to take it with you?
It's up to you if you want to take it with you.
Am I gonna be able to? I don't know where I'm going. I don't know if I'm going to jail. I don't know if
You're
I'm
going to go to jail. You're going to jail.
Okay, babe.
So, do you want? You can have this and then get your numbers out of it when you go. Do you want that?
I know mommy number. We know only mommy number. My grandparents. I know it.
Leave my phone, right? I don't want to lose it or anything.
Yeah, use your phone.
Leave it?
One thing,
Okay.
can we make a call to her mom, and so that way she knows what's going on, or her dad, either one?
I can text my mom.
Can you call it? Can you get it on the phone?
We need to
I
talk
don't
to
have
them.
Wi-Fi right now. There's no
Okay. Do you have service?
Yes, I do, man.
Okay. What's your phone or the thing?
Can you do me a favor?
Yes.
Can you please zip this up for me?
Yes. Do you want your hair up?
Yeah, leave it down. But can you zip it up?
Zip it up.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, mine.
I just don't want to go there, you know.
Yep. No, you're good.
People have been going here for leather. I get it.
Yeah, it's zero tolerance this whole week.
There's so many criminals.
You said you.
But I do want to know something. What's gonna happen, sir? Can you tell me
gonna stay there?
why am I going to jail for?
You're going to jail, probably possession of marijuana under 20 grams, possession of paraphernalia, and then you'll end up probably
What is
getting
paraphernalia?
so the rolling papers or like the
Like the stuff that is used to roll like joints?
Yeah.
Okay.
So he probably has rolling papers. I don't know. I don't think you have rolling papers. So
Everything in that car is mine.
Okay.
Everything in that car is mine, please. It's just
It's
my phone.
unfortunately it's literally in her purse, and it has her name and stuff like that in it. So that's the reason why she's going, is because you can't take.
Why are you going to jail for it? The same thing? Are we doing the same
the
thing?
weed
We're
that's in it.
twins.
Hey.
So if you see us being like this, it's because we're
It's
twins.
It's cool.
Okay?
I don't mind talking to you guys. But
Okay,
the weed
okay.
that's in the center console, this is your car, so you're responsible for the weed that's in the car.
So if so the car, her purse is in my car as well.
yes, but
And
it's
all of
clearly
that-
hers because it has all her identification.
The weed doesn't have a name. The weed doesn't have an identification. I'm the owner of the car is telling you that weed right there is mine. In the purse that's in my car.
I can add a note to the report board that you're claiming all of it. Do whatever, then that way claiming the court.
Do you want to have the rest?
She's gonna know.
It's okay, we're good, we're done.
All right, so we're gonna go to his car. That's right there, and then I'm gonna have you guys just slide over, okay?
Hey guys, keep walking. You can't block the sidewalk.
All right, we're gonna walk.
Yeah, I guess they are. Let you guys on.
Yeah, we're recording.
No, not yet. People.
Oh, okay. Nope, you're good. We're gonna go this way.
Let me see that way.
They can leave now after we leave, right?
Slide in, or
Yeah, I'll get him out of here in just a second.
can you slide so she?
Wait. Should I go in? Are you good? Yeah. Is the car cleaned out?
Yeah, I'm waiting for you. Sophia!
Hold on for a second.
I can help you with this. You have to do it quick.
Can you show adult male and adult female temperature?
No, it's just like, I don't know.
They're twins. I think they're both 18. No, they're
207.
yeah, they're over 18.
Loco, yo creo que tú vas a grabar esto para TikTok.
We can ask for it and then we can post it.
Okay, then can we say hi? I mean, how you feeling?
I feel like there's so many criminals and we are back here. When right now in this street there's really like maybe 7 criminals, 7 real criminals, more than 7.
4 Bravo 11 and 16, it looks like it's going
Damn,
to
we
be
going to jail.
76-year-old male is having a seizure.
Somebody having a seizure and I'm here because
11 copies.
Motherfucker, vamos a tener una foto en la cárcel.
You guys like Bad Bunny?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna bump it, but is this volume fine?
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you.
Alright.
Yeah, that's fine.
9 Bravo 11, you copy suspicious person, the man in the wheelchair. Copy. 115 North Orange. There was a disturbance at Phase 2 location 2608 Hill Street. Somebody was screaming and
I'm gonna find somebody.
Huh?
If I find somebody, I'll fuck it.
Fuck them, Joe? You thinking about fucking right now?
Go ahead and spray up Bravo 11 and 7.
How long? We're gonna, bro, we have to wait for a judge day. We can take time.
11 is fine, or did you want Bravo 11? Bravo 11. Bravo 11, you copy?
I don't have my phone, right? You left it, right?
Yeah.
You know who's gonna be worried us most, right? This is bad. People in their family gonna think we're horrible. What you think?
Abuela Carmen para sacar güey. Y voy a fumar. Una cosa, pero ya se acabó la fumadera en el carro.
Yo no puedo creer que esto es verdad, señor Jesús. Ese recorte más feo de estos cabrones, parecen unos Kenny.
Well, we're technically not gonna be in jail, right? We're gonna be in like
No, we're gonna go
No,
to
you're gonna go to
jail.
jail.
oh, jail. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you're gonna go to jail.
I'm gonna be in a room with
A bunch of strangers.
a couple of them or a bunch.
A bunch.
So it's not real close.
That's also in jail.
You're talking about prison and jail. Prison is different than jail.
Yeah, prison is different than jail, yes.
Prison is when they give you, when you have to.
That's when you get sentenced. Yeah, so you're just going to jail today. Just county jail.